Hiring a Power BI consulting company can completely change how your business uses data, or can feel like an unnecessary cost if you don't understand the value. So what are you actually getting? Here are 7 real benefits based on what actually happens in projects. Most companies try to build reports internally, and they usually run into the same problems: slow development, data issues, dashboards that look good but do not drive decisions. That's where consulting companies come in. So let's break this down simply. Here are 7 benefits of hiring a Power BI consulting company and why they matter for your business. Number 1, faster delivery. Consulting company brings experience. What might take an internal team month can often be delivered in weeks because they have already done this before. Number 2, deep technical expertise. Power BI is not just dashboards, it involves data modeling, DAX calculations, performance optimization. A consulting team handles all of this properly from the start. Number 3, proper data foundation. Most reporting problems come from bad data structure. Consultants clean and structure your data, connect multiple systems, build a solid data model so your reports are reliable. Number 4, business-focused insights. A good consulting company does not just show data. They focus on what drives revenue, where costs can be reduced, what decisions need to be made. So dashboards actually support the business. Number 5, automation and alerts. You also get automation. Reports refresh automatically. Data pipelines run in the background. KPI alerts notify you when something changes. So you do not have to constantly monitor everything manually. Number 6, automated reporting and distribution. Insights are delivered automatically. Scheduled reports, subscriptions for stakeholders, the right data reaching the right people at the right time, which saves time and improves communication. And lastly, number 7, training and long-term support. A good consulting company does not just deliver and leave. They train your team, help you use the system, support future changes, so your investment keeps delivering value. So hiring a Power BI consulting company is not just about outsourcing work. It's about saving time, avoiding costly mistakes, and getting a solution that actually impacts your business. If you are considering working with a Power BI consulting company, visit datapivotconsulting.com. Book a free strategy session and I'll help you understand what the right setup should look like for your business. And if this helped, share it with someone thinking about Power BI. It might save them from making the wrong decision. And subscribe for more videos like this one.